Hello everybody, this is Jared at Escape Adventures. As a kid, I grew up in New Mexico, and I gotta tell you, it's a great place to ride a mountain bike. If you didn't know, one of the best top 10 single tracks rated by Mountain Bike Action magazine is the South Boundary Trail, and that winds its way on the northeast side of Taos, New Mexico. This is a very, very windy trail, one of my all-time favorites, part of our New Mexico single track tour. This video footage you're going to watch encompasses the Enchanted Circle, which is a 100-mile loop around Mount Wheeler in the Wheeler Peak Wilderness area. And this tour is something very, very unique, very much like Colorado, but in a different state, New Mexico. Almost an unheard of place to go mountain biking. I hope you enjoy what you're about to see as we do guiding in this area. Thanks for joining us. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video footage as I did filming it. And I hope to have you out on a trip someday. And remember, live your dreams, don't dream your life. Thanks for joining us.